always be free. E is for Esther, so strong and so bold. F is for faith, more precious than gold. G is for God who made you and me. H is for heaven, where we'll always be free. I is for Israel, God's chosen place. J is for Jesus, full of love and grace. K is for kindness that we can show. L is for love that helps us grow. M is for Moses who parted the sea. N is for Noah who saved every beast. D, O is obey, doing what's right. P is for prayer, morning and night. Q is for quiet, to hear God's voice. R is for Ruth who made a kind choice. S is the shepherd who leads his sheep. T is the 10 God's rules to keep. U is for unity, hand in hand. V is for victory, with God we stand. W is worship, we sing and praise. X is for exalt in joyful ways. Y is for yes, we follow his call. Z is for Zion, God's hope for us all. Now you know your A to Z.